everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a haul, a massive, for me it's massive. A massive dye haul, and it's all Sizzix, you guys. You guys know I love Sizzix, so I went a little crazy over here with it, and you're gonna see some new and some old, and they're all new to me, so I didn't have any of these. And I was limited on some dyes, so that's my excuse there for buying up so much and the discounts. So 50% off at Allison Education, as well as some clearance items from Sizzix.com and Amazon. So this one's from Amazon, and I had to get some word dyes from them because I only own the Halloween, and I believe this one is let's see what year it is, and it doesn't say the year. There it is, 2018, which I did not have, so now I do, and I'm so excited to use it. So that's the first one, Amazon. Next one is, oh, Hobby Lobby, you guys. Okay, so look at this. It is an amazing dye for bag toppers. So if I just flip it over, look at that bag topper dye, and it's gonna be so beautiful with some glitter and some cardstock. It's going to be amazing. So I had to get this, you guys. Look, it comes also with some snowflakes, of course, the bag topper, which this isn't considered bag topper, but that's what I'm gonna do. You know what, how we do it, us paper crafters. So, and some stars, and also some snowflakes. So there's two snowflakes that, oh, there it is right there. So this was 40% off. Okay, next is new. Oh my goodness, Allison Education. Thank you so much, you guys. You guys know this is one of the new Tim Holtz dyes, and it is quite pricey, but it was 50% off, and I could not pass this up. And this is the Reindeer Biggs Sizzix dye, which I had to have, and I got it for 50% off, which I'm so excited to use this year, and it's beautiful. I can't wait to use that. Next is the old one. This one is a snowman, and this one is 2018, and it's gonna be hard to find, you guys. This one was a little hard to find. You probably could find it on eBay. It's definitely on Allison Education, so definitely go check them out. I will have them linked below. And I bought it for, yeah, the snowman. You could use it in so many ways, not just on paper or not just with paper, but definitely something that I'm gonna be loving to use. Okay, next is a brand new one. This is the bear, and definitely using this for a polar bear. So it's gonna be white for this Christmas. It's gonna definitely go with the Feeling Frosty collection, and I'm so excited to use this little bear. I love it so much. Definitely a must-have, you guys. It's a polar bear or a bear, so whatever. You can even use it for Valentine's. Just put some little hearts on the cheeks or hearts on the belly, and it's gonna be Valentine's. So definitely could use this for all year round. So excited for that one. And the next one is, wow, this one's from last year, so definitely fairly new. It is the big stocking. Oh, the bear was from Allison Education, 50% off. This one, I believe it was Allison Education as well, so 50% off. And I love it because it's a large die, of course, the bigs, and look how you can use it. So creative, and you could put so much stuff in it. You could use felt with it. You could also use a box, if you can make an L-shaped box or just a small box, and it'll be a box with with all your embellishments in it. So I love this one. Definitely will be using that, and hopefully I can get through all of these. So next one is this one. It's 2018, and it's the leaf die, but you could definitely use this as a mistletoe. You could use it with your flowers. You could use it in ornaments. You could use it in so many ways. And so you can make a flower with it as well. Look at right there at the back. So you can make flowers with it if you want to, but I definitely will be using it for Christmas. And hopefully what I have in mind will come out on paper, and hopefully it'll turn out right. Okay, so the next one is 2019, you guys. I had to get this one, the Filling Frosty. Let me get that collection. Okay, so here it is right here. You guys, can you see that? The Filling Frosty collection has this log. I don't even know what it's called, but you guys, come on. Look, I had to get it because of that. And on the back, it comes, of course, comes with a die and also with an embossing folder to create all those little tree trunk grooves. Yeah, so it's a kind of like a tree trunk slice, and I love it, you guys. That's gonna go amazing with this collection. This collection is so amazing. So got that. Trying to eliminate the glare, so I'm just gonna put that up there. Okay, next is this 2018 heart. And I got the heart because you can use this for all year round and with different mediums. And I do have heart dies, and you know, you can only use those for paper and possibly some foam, but any other medium you can't. So I got this so I can use with different mediums. You know, Valentine's is coming up, and I need to get ready for that. And so it was 50% off, so I had to get it. There was no way around that. And so I got this old one. This one's 2017. It is a tree. Hopefully I'll be able to get to this one this season. Very excited to craft Christmas, and hopefully I can use all of these dies, but it's gonna get hard. But I'm gonna definitely try and use all of these dies and get all of my ideas out. It seems to never work that way, but hopefully we can get it to work this time. So you guys, these are all that I got, and oh my god, this back topper, I can't wait to use it. And hopefully I can share with you guys. I'm definitely gonna try to do 12 days of Christmas. If I can get some videos out, it'll start either you know, the first 12 days of December. If not, I will go ahead and include them on the weekends. So it'll be 12 days of Christmas on the weekends, or 12 days of Christmas the beginning of the month. So hopefully we can get that taken care of. But I'm so excited, you guys, and hopefully you'll check out Allison Education and see what they have. They had the new dies, which I could not believe. I happened to stumble upon them searching dies, and so I got everything I wanted, and very excited that I was able to grab these. And this is from Allison Education, Sizzix, Amazon, and Hobby Lobby. There's another one that I'm missing. Okay, I picked up this one. Almost forgot about this one. So I picked this one up from Hobby Lobby as well. Look at that penguin. How cute is that? But this one's going as a gift to somebody. And at the beginning of November, I picked up this one right here. So already using the snowman on this, and video will come out very soon. And also picked up the stars right here from Hobby Lobby. I do have a star die, but it has a faux stitching on it, which I did not want. I wanted one with just plain, and so as soon as I seen this and it was 40% off Hobby Lobby, I had to get it. So got this, and I love the the width of the stars, the nesting dies. I love the width of the star is going to be a fairly wide where I can do my stitching on, so definitely got that. So definitely I've already been using this one, so you've probably seen it on my TikTok. I already have a video on TikTok on this die, which I absolutely love. And oh, this one, I'm so excited. Okay, enough with my dies. You guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a massive Sizzix haul. Like always, I will see you in the next video with some Christmas crafting. Bye.